A powerful earthquake has just shaken eastern Afghanistan. With a magnitude of 6.0, this is more than just a number. It's a catastrophe that's left more than 1,000 dead, thousands without homes, and an entire region in crisis. Rescue teams are racing against time, but Afghanistan's remote mountains and fragile infrastructure are making things even harder. So you might be wondering, why does this keep happening here? Why are earthquakes in Afghanistan so devastating? Let's dig into the science. Afghanistan sits right at the collision zone between two huge tectonic plates, the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. Picture the ground beneath your feet as a massive puzzle made of shifting pieces. Now imagine two of those pieces slowly pushing against each other for millions of years. The Indian plate is moving north, crashing into the Eurasian plate at about 5 centimeters a year. That might not sound like a lot, but over centuries it builds up massive tension underground. When that tension finally snaps, it releases energy in the form of an earthquake. The eastern part of Afghanistan is especially vulnerable because it's full of fault lines, kind of like cracks in the Earth's crust, just waiting to give way. But it's not just about geology. The region's rugged mountains and deep valleys can actually make earthquakes even more dangerous. The shaking gets trapped and amplified between the rocks, causing landslides and making buildings crumble. In many Afghan communities, homes are built from mud bricks, materials that just can't withstand a powerful quake. And when disaster strikes, help is hard to get in. Roads are often blocked, communication lines are down, and ongoing instability in the region makes everything more complicated for aid workers. People are left without food, clean water, or medical care when they need it most. This catastrophe is a stark reminder of how interconnected our world is. Afghanistan's earthquakes aren't just random events. They're part of a bigger story about our planet's ever-shifting surface. And as long as those tectonic plates keep moving, the risk remains. But there's hope. Scientists are working to better understand these seismic zones, and international organizations are stepping up to help. With support, Afghanistan can rebuild stronger, and maybe one day be better prepared for the forces that shape our world. And remember, science isn't just about understanding the Earth, it's about protecting the people who live on it. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about geology, earth sciences, and astronomy. See you in the next video.